In today's videos we're going to do some index laws still. We're going to simplify some expressions. Now, the first one that I have for you is x to the power of 8 minus x to the power of 3, all that divided by x. Okay, by now we should have our knowledge on what needs to be done when we are multiplying and dividing indices. Okay, now you notice we are dividing here because of this that's over what we call. Okay, now you notice that we are x to the power of 8 is dividing x, and also x to the power of 3, if you understand it this way, it helps. It's also dividing x. So I'm going to split them a bit to make it easier. I will say x to the power of 8 divided by x. That's the same thing. Okay, then minus x to the power of 3, we also divide it by x. Okay, such that it is easy for us to solve, because we know that there's always an invisible one there, and we know the law, the rule that what we do when we are dividing x. So in this one we shall have x. Remember, when we are dividing indices, we subtract the powers. X 8 minus 1, okay, is that first one, then minus x 3 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. This will be x to the power of 7 minus 3 minus 1 is 2. X to the power of what? Of 2. And we leave it like that. Please don't be tempted to again do anything further here, because x to the power of 7 is unlike, it's a bit different. It's different from x squared. Okay, so this is one lot of x to the power of 7 and one lot of x squared. So we leave it like that, and that will be what? Our answer. Okay, now I will do the next one on the right here. Okay, which is I'll use this star as well. 13x squared plus 15 x to the power of 7, and all that we are dividing it by 6x to the power of 4. So you apply your same knowledge that you know of dividing indices. Now what we'll do, I will split them again. 13x squared divide by 6 x to the power of 4, plus we also divide 15x to the power of 7 divide by 6x to the power of 4. Okay, so now we have 13 over 6. I can leave it even as a fraction. 13 over 6. Okay, then we need to sort out x squared and x to the power of 4, and we know that we subtract. So this shall say x 2 minus 4 is negative what? Is negative 2. You can leave it like that. Plus this is also 15 over 6 as a fraction, and this will be x. 7 minus 4 is 3. You can leave it like that. But remember, one thing you need to know: when you have x to the power of negative 2, it can also be, you can remove the negative symbol and you bring the x down. You can write it like this: 13 over 6x squared. Okay, plus 15 over 6, and then this remains x what? Cubed. Okay, and if you want, you can actually solve this further. This is 13 over 6x squared, plus, because we know we can divide 6 by 3 here, and 6 by 3 here, and 15 by 3. 15 divided by 3, we get 5. 6 divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, we get 2x to the power of what? 3. And that will be our answer there. Okay, yeah. So that is how we simplify that. We just apply our knowledge of indices. So I will write down some 2 questions for you to try out. Okay, I will move up here such that you try them out, and then we can do them. Okay, now The first one will be 2 to the power 2t to the power of 7 minus 12 t to the power of 5, and we are dividing it by 40 squared. Okay, so you'll work that out. Then the next one, I'll write it here so that we can do it together later shortly. 7y to the power of 8 minus 9y squared, all divided by 2y. Okay, so pause the video and have a go at those two questions. Okay, I hope you've been able to try them out. So as usual, I'll do it with you here. I'll split. This will be 2 t to the power of 7. We divide it by 4t squared. Subtract off 12 t to the power of 5 divided by 4t squared. Okay, so one thing we can do here, this remains 1, this remains 2. We can make it easier. Then we subtract 7 minus 2 is 5. So we shall have t to the power of 5 at the top, and down we shall have 2. Okay, because we subtracted 7 minus 2. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 will be at the top there. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this will be t to the power of 3. Yeah, that will be the answer to this one. Okay, I hope you got it. If you didn't, please see where you went wrong. Now the next one here, I'm still going to split them. I'm going to say 7y to the power of 8 divided by 2y minus 9y squared divided by 2y. Okay, now this will remain 7 over 2. It can't be simplified any further. And then remember, there's always an invisible 1 there. So 8 minus 1 will be 7. Y to the power of 7 will be the answer. Minus, this will remain as 9 over 2 as a fraction. There's always an invisible 1 there. Please don't forget that. 2 minus 1 gives us 1y, or y to the power of 1. Okay, like that. And this is how you leave it. Okay, yep, I hope you got those right. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. See you at the next video.